ShauntéShaunté. I'm gonna be blowing out my hair today using Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. Rolana told me to do this, so I'm gonna do it. Because if you ask, you shall receive, okay? So the reason I had my hair in Bantu knot was because I wanted it sectioned and dried so that when I do straighten it, it's easier for me. It's already detangled and all that nonsense. I'll start in the front. So we can see how this works. Instructions are for losers. Haven't straightened my hair in over a year.
Iron, you know it. All right.
Off, cool, low, high. I'm gonna do low. High. I'm gonna keep going, but let's see. Let me just keep going. It is quick. I'm gonna come back when I'm done. After about 20 minutes, this is the result. I'm thinking about if I should straighten it, but probably not. Because I'm gonna straighten it in about a month. So this will do. Peace. Okay, wait. Before I let you go, I want to rate it. It was super fast. Super easy. Just a little brush action. Don't forget to put your heat protectant. So a little brush action. I didn't lose too much hair. That's my whole head. What else? It's cheap. It was less than $30. It was very easy. I probably said that already. I give it an 8 out of 10, only because you can't really get the roots all that good. But hey, it was easy, so they got me. Shoot. All right, one more hair flip. Ready?